Very good day to you people. Guys, today I'm gonna be reviewing my new edition cooktop from the brand Chef. And this is what I'm gonna boil. A ready to eat item that you need to boil for 2-3 minutes. So this actually has been already put in a water, and the water is in a induction friendly vessel. When I say an induction friendly vessel, it means electroferrous object, ones that are attracted by a magnet. A steel, for example. Alright, and this is the way the display actually looks brilliant, looks fabulous. It's a VFM product, it's a value for money product. I've used it 6-8 times till from the time I actually opened it up, and I think it's a nice product. I'm gonna give you a demo. Let me just first big and nice juicy buttons, big and nice juicy display. Okay, let me just switch it on and show you how it actually works. So just powered on, and you see the display actually pop up some numbers, and the power button is actually blinking, so it's in the ready mode. I can either go through function, or I can just use these big fat juicy buttons, the plus and the minus. Okay, the first thing that you need to do is, after you power it on and the LED is displaying 4 dashes, you need to tap the power button. It says EO because it needs a vessel. As soon as I put the vessel on top, okay, the EO disappears, and then I'm going to drop down the temperature to 1000 watts. So the display will either tell you how many watts it is, or it will tell you how many, what is the temperature in actually centigrade. Okay, I can actually make changes. I can go through the menu also, but I find this more convenient. This is the induction friendly vessel, and this is the product, Rajma Masala, that needs to be heated up for at least 2 to 3 minutes before it can be cut open and enjoyed. And I could have used the function button also. How? Let me show you. I could have gone to, let's say, the power button, and then press the button function. Press the power button again, and then press function, and then you see the display says 80 degrees centigrade. And if I press the function button again, it will jump onto soup. That's 1600 watts. If I press the function button again, it will jump onto water. That's 2000 watts. But I'm okay using only, I wish to stay with 1000. So I'm going to press this. I'm going to press this again, and I'm going to go back to 1000 watts. Okay, I'm going to let the cooktop do its work. So it's a complete glass top, people. Very easy to wipe, very easy to maintain. It's quite thin, it's quite lightweight compared to my older Philips 4938, which was again a gem of a product. Worked for 5 years, and then it was my mistake that when I was washing it, I let the water seep through the bottom and it spoiled the induction cooktop. I got this new one. In fact, the old Philips 4938 used to create a lot of tick-tock sounds that it doesn't create, and that is what I like. As far as the noise is concerned, the noise with the Philips 4938 is the same with this one too. Alright. So at this point, let me just pause the video. Okay, people, it's about to go into a proper boil now. It's steaming a lot, and you can see the bubbles slowly rising up. Okay, so we are working at, it's almost into a boil. It just took around 4-5 minutes, maybe even less. Okay, so it's about to hit a proper boil, and we have maintained the temperature, the wattage at 1000, and if you see, the function is hot pot. Yeah, We would have probably taken only 3 minutes had I kept the the wattage at around 1300. But I kept it a little lower at 1000. So yeah, that's almost a proper boil. At this point, guys, I think I'll let it boil for 1 more minute, because the ready to eat item says that you need to boil it for 2-3 minutes. So let it sit for a minute more. Okay, so let me talk about some other functions. I like the big and bold juicy buttons out here. So you have a preset timer, which I'm yet to explore, but I think what it actually means is that you can set a time at which it will kick off. Then you have elect volt. Not to show, need to go through the manual. Child lock is child lock. Children won't be able to operate any button. Okay, so this menu, the function, as it's called here, in the Philips 4938 it was called menu. Guys, I'm going to put a stop. It's spilling out. I need to stop it. The water had started to spill out because it was jumping around, so I don't want the water spillage to happen. So I've stopped it, and wiping is damn easy. So my Rajma masala is ready. It's ready to eat, and see, the display looks like this. Okay, so it's a beautiful, it's a lightweight and it's sleek. Let me show you the side. I'll show you the bottom also through a picture. It's not too tall, it's not too high, is it? Okay, it's lightweight, really lightweight, much lighter than the Philips 4938 that I'd actually used for 5 years. I got spoiled because of my own mistake. So I think that's a slightly better product. Is slightly faster. That's more durable, it seems. Time will tell how good this one is, but initially I'm impressed, and I'm really liking the. You see, the fan has turned off. Okay, so we are done. So to me, for 1,999 at Flipkart, with 10% instant discount on ICICI Bank, debit or credit cards, you should go for it today. Guys, as you can see, some water has actually spilled out, and there's a warning out here which clearly says the surface remains hot after use. Please don't touch. So I'll allow the surface to cool down a bit. After 3-4 minutes, I'm going to wipe it clean. It's very, very easy to clean. Make sure that the water, the liquid, doesn't flow down to the bottom where the fan is, but that'll be a disaster.